What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer your crypto from Binance to crypto.com app. So basically for those people who do not know Binance and who do not know crypto.com app, then basically Binance and crypto.com is a crypto exchange. So basically it's a place where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And since we are talking about transferring crypto, you can also do that. So transferring of crypto works as you are transferring money. So you can understand it in that way, because if we go into like deep knowledge of how cryptos are transferred from like nodes to nodes and from like one thing to that thing, it's gonna get confusing. So just think like when you're transferring crypto, you're basically transferring like money. But instead of money, you're transferring crypto. But when you're transferring money, there's a transfer fee taken by bank. So when you're transferring crypto, there's a transfer fee taken for transferring that crypto, which is known as gas fee, which goes up and down and is high according to a day and is low according to a day. So just keep that in mind. So for transferring a crypto, you need to have the wallet address of the crypto you're transferring. So let's say for an example, I'm transferring Bitcoin into my crypto.com app from Binance. So I need to get the wallet address of Bitcoin from crypto.com app. After I get the wallet address, and make sure it's the wallet address of Bitcoin, because if it is the wallet address of any other crypto and I transfer Bitcoin into that, it's gonna get lost. So just make sure it's of Bitcoin. After you do that, just go on wallet and go on overview. Now once you go over here, what you want to do is you want to go on the withdraw section over here. All right, so once you see the withdraw, just click on withdraw over here, and it's going to be Bitcoin by default, but if you're not transferring Bitcoin, you can change it. And where it says address, paste the address of Bitcoin over here. And after you paste the address over here, you can choose the network which you're using to transfer the Bitcoin, and then enter the amount of Bitcoin you're transferring, and then click on withdraw. Once you do that, your Bitcoin will be transferred from Binance to your crypto.com app, because that's the wallet address where it is. And it's a Bitcoin, so it's going to be transferred over there. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.